that one doing? That's Cash. That's a little boy squiggling around up there. They're funny.
What's this one doing?
What, Ari?
What's that one doing?
He's drinking milk. Just like you, Ari. He's drinking the milk from his mama's teat. They've gotten real good at that. It's all they really do, actually. And this one's taking a break. She's getting a little nap. What a good puppy. Good puppy this one is. Oh, they're all good puppies. There you go. Mama. You're a good mother to your puppies, aren't you? Say hi. Hi on the camera. Oh, he said hi. Actually, this is a girl. This is a girl. Look, Ari. Did you see one so little before? Are you shy, Ari, when you see a puppy like that? You're good, Ari. You don't touch or anything, do you? You don't squeeze the puppies, do you? You're very gentle. Should we put it back in? Okay, let's put her back in. There we go. All the dogs are happy together.